Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's the first time I upload my video in this channel, namely PLC Logic Controller channel. In this video, I would discuss about PLC deeper. It's all about CX programmer, CX designer, as Omron PLC software, of course, and many things about industrial automation such as contactor, relay, HMI, or human-machine interface, electropneumatic variable speed drive or VSD, SCADA, and others. Because this channel provides you tutorials on how to create PLC ladder diagrams, to communicate them with HMI, and integrate them with outputs such as relays, contactors, variable speed drive, or VSD, and electropneumatic systems. As the first video, let's discuss about the simple way in making a program that is direct online program. But before we continue the video, let me remind you to like, share, and subscribe this channel in order to get the latest video of the channel. Okay, just go on. The first step is you have to open your program, CX programmer, and then you choose a new project and you choose the device type, and of course you have to choose the device type don't forget to choose the device type that relate to your device, of course, and I choose CP1E, and then the setting I choose ZN, either N14, N20, N30, N40, N60. Why I choose the type N? Because this type can be integrated simulation by CX designer. Okay, after that step, just click OK. Then will appear like this, display like this. And then the first step of direct online program is there are two inputs. Those inputs are start and stop, and for this mirror I make the stop first by choosing this one, or just type your keyboard by choosing the icon slash, okay, and then the address 0 for input, bit 00, and the second step is giving the label PB1 for stop or stop. And the second is making the item like this for start, and O normally open. I choose normally open for start, and then 0. Okay, sorry. Except this way, this menu bar, you can use the control by using your keyboard. To make the NO normally open symbol, you can use C on your keyboard, and then the address, input address 0, the input, sorry, the bit 01, and the label PB2 or start. Okay, this one for stop, this one for start, and the last is output or coil. You can use this icon for new coil, or just press O on your keyboard. And don't forget the address. It's the main point of this project. You have to give the right address, either channel or bit. This one for output PLC Omron 100.00, which is 00 is 4-bit. I give the label lamp1, for instance. And the second way is you have to give the latching or the holding by using this icon, or just press letter W on your keyboard, and then appear like this stuff. Don't forget to give your address 100 and bit 00 relate to, similar to this coil or output. Okay, and this one can be work online simulation by pressing Control Shift and W in same time. So failed to start ladder engine. What happened to this matter? I put it again. I press again Control Shift W. Okay, and it works. For activating this coil or this output, just press the start by press Control at the same time Control GKL. Okay, it works. It's on, it's active. And for stop, by pressing the same way Control GKL. To start again, Control JKL, and this one Control JKL. Or you can use your pointer by point your pointer or your cursor on this address, and then right click, and then you choose set and on this one. But this color, green color, it means it's like force. For instance, like for a sample way, it's like press the button for a long time, and to make like a real time, when you press the PB or push button, and then you hold and you release, you just click again and right click and set off. Okay, this one. And the same way to press this push button to stop, right click and then set on, and right click set off. Right, that is the simple way to make a direct online program. If you haven't understood or haven't gotten understood about this program, you can replay many times this video, or you just give your comment in a comment in the comment column, and maybe I can help you. Okay, thank you for today. And the last, I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.